Everybody, it's Coach Julian. I hope you are well. So I'm going to quickly talk about hate, racism, and I would do that because I would continue to use my platform to lift the voices of those who do not have one. Basically, those who are receiving hate and racism on a daily basis, but they need to stay quiet, either because of fear of being bullied or because the consequences are real. I will use my platform to speak up for them and for myself because I am a person of color. I want to start by saying that you can be part of the solution. And let me quickly just give you a quick general idea of what hate or racism is. In my opinion, in my experience, act of hate or racism seeks to damage or destroy another person, basically to dehumanize another human being. Now, if you are from a marginalized or underrepresented community and you are liking, posting, or spreading hate to another underrepresented or marginalized community, say to the LGBT community, if you're Latino and doing that, etc., you are emboldening the people who want to cause physical damage to people like me or to them because they won't stop at LGBTQ or Latinos or African Americans or Jewish people. They will continue, and you are giving them air. That's the best way I can say it. So hate can be unlearned, and you are part of the solution. You can be part of the solution. Maybe you're not aware that when you are liking or reposting hate, and again, what is hate? These acts of hate seek to damage or destroy another person's self-worth. So it's pretty clear, and it's literally to dehumanize another human being. So what I ask of you is to think about it, and are you part of the solution or not? We need to stick together. We need to work together. Our diversity is our strength. If you want to hear about my experience of being on the opposite end, on the end of racism and hate, I'll be more than happy to share because you cannot deny my experience. And this is a positive message. It's uncomfortable, but imagine being in this skin or being on the receiving end of hate. That's being uncomfortable.